Hello one and all. Yesterday we have completed the introduction part of the interfaces. What is interface? It is an abstract data type class. Whenever we are going to be creating the interfaces, how to create interface? There we are going to be using the interface keyword, and whenever we are going to be creating the interfaces, how to create? First use the interface keyword, then use the interface name. Then in the interfaces, whenever we are going to be collecting the same related methods to a particular interface, it should be empty body, means we cannot write the body of the method. Where we need to write after, when we need to create another class, by using implement keyword we are going to be extending the class, that particular interfaces. Next, what is inheritance? Acquiring the properties of one class object to another class object is called inheritance. In Java, whenever we are going to be applying the inheritance concept, Java will not support the which type of inheritance? Multiple inheritance. For that purpose only we are going to be using the interfaces. This concept will be introduced for mainly we need to apply multiple inheritance. For that purpose only we are going to be using the interfaces. We can see the notes on interfaces. Like abstract classes, interface cannot be used to create a object. Means if you are creating the interfaces, means it is abstract classes only. We cannot create the objects. How to create the objects? Real classes. In example above, it is not possible to create an animal object by my main class. If you are creating the interfaces, means with that interfaces we cannot create the object. Main thing. Interface method not allowed, do not have a body. See here. We cannot write the body of the method in the interfaces. Body is provided by the implement in a class, means in the separate class we need to implement. On the implementation of an interface, you must have override all of its methods. Means whenever we are going to be implementing interfaces, how to implement? We need to override all the methods. Must and should. We cannot override only single method. Interface methods are by default. Default keywords we need to use. Abstract, public. Means if you are creating a interface methods, it should be, methods will be in which type? Abstract type, public type. Interface attribute are by default. Attributes we need to declare how? Public, static, final keywords we need to use before the interface name. An interface cannot contain a constructor. If you are creating the interfaces, means at that time we cannot create the constructors in the interface. Where we need to create? In the classes. Why and when to use the interface? When we are going to be using the interface? To achieve the security, hide certain details. If you want to provide the security of the data, if you want to hide the data and only show the important details, at that time we are going to be using the interfaces. Java does not support multiple inheritance. Instead of that, we are going to be using the which one? Interfaces. It can be achieved through with interfaces, because the class can be implement multiple interfaces. Means with that class we are going to be implementing the multiple interfaces. To implement multiple interfaces, how to write? First interface name, second interface name will be separated by the comma. In the below example we have see that multiple interfaces. See here. Here we have created first interface. What is the interface? Interface is a keyword. In that we are going to be creating the first interface name. Then in that we are going to be writing the method. Method we have declared. We cannot write the body. My method we are going to be declared in the first interface. Next, second interface also we are going to be created, and we are going to be giving this some method here. Next, in the below we have created one class. What is the class name we have given? We are going to be implementing the interfaces here. How to implement? First we need to create a class. Class name we have given. Then implements keyword we are going to be using. Then we are going to be using the interface. First interface name and second interface name will be separated by the comma. Next, we are going to be writing the interfaces, all the methods with the body. Next, in the main class, we are going to be creating the which class? Object. Demo class object will be created, and we are going to be calling the interface methods directly. That is the use of the interfaces. What is the use of the interfaces? Whenever we are going to be creating the interfaces in the methods, we cannot write the body. Where we need to write? To override the interfaces in the where another class. That is the use of the interfaces. We can override the how many interfaces? Multiple interfaces also, not single interface. Next we can see the example output. See here. This one is the first interface, second interface, and demo class we have created, and some text enter the some other text. Means whatever content we have given in the method body, that should be displayed here. This one is the output, this one is the program. Next, tomorrow class we can start with the Java enumerations. Thank you, Varana. Today interfaces concept is over.